सर्वे भवन्तो सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तो निरामयः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। সকলোৰে সুখ শান্তি সমৃদ্ধি কামনাৰে আজিৰ এই অনুষ্ঠানলৈ আপোনালোকক আদৰণি জনাইছো। With due permission from your lordship, good afternoon to one and all esteemed dignitaries and honored guests. As we gather here, the Darrang district, located in central Assam, is known for its rich cultural diversity, historical significance, and geographical beauty, we are privileged to convene for an awareness program highlighting the invaluable benefits of the National Legal Services Authority schemes. The primary objective of the awareness program is to educate and inform senior citizens, their families, caregivers, and the community at large about the legal rights and protections available to them under the NALSA Legal Services to Senior Citizens Schemes 2016. We are truly honored by the gracious presence of Honorable Mr. Justice Vijay Bishnoi, the Chief Justice, Guwahati High Court and Patron-in-Chief, Assam State Legal Services Authority, Honorable Mr. Justice Lanusungkhom Jamir, Judge, Guwahati High Court and Executive Chairman, Assam State Legal Services Authority, Honorable Mr. Justice Sanjay Kumar Medhi, Judge, Guwahati High Court and Portfolio Judge, Darrang, and all other esteemed guests. We welcome all of you with a deep sense of gratitude for being present here today despite your busy schedule, and we are thrilled to have you share this momentous occasion with us. We shall now begin by felicitating our respected dignitaries on the dais. May we request Alhaj Sabina Majumdar, Additional District and Session Judge, Darrang, to felicitate Honorable Mr. Justice Vijay Bishnoi, Chief Justice, Guwahati High Court and Patron-in-Chief, Assam State Legal Services Authority, with a traditional anai, memento, and a gift hamper containing indigenous black rice, johar rice, beaten rice, and handmade banbati. May we again request Mrs. Pranita Morang, Deputy Secretary, Assam State Legal Services Authority, to felicitate Honorable Mr. Justice Lanusungkhom Jamir, Judge, Guwahati High Court and Executive Chairman, Assam State Legal Services Authority. Thank you so much. May we now request Sri Hemanto Kumar Das, Civil Judge, Senior Division, to felicitate Honorable Mr. Justice Sanjay Kumar Medhi, Judge, Guwahati High Court and Portfolio Judge, Darrang. Thank you so much. May we now request Sri Lakshminandan Pegu, Chief Judicial Magistrate, to kindly felicitate Mr. Abhijit Bhattacharya, District and Session Judge, Darrang. May we now request Mrs. Susmita Barpujari, Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate, to felicitate Mr. Ratnadeep Bhattacharya, Member Secretary, Assam State Legal Services Authority. May I now request Mr. Mridul Kumar Sharma, Chief Legal Aid Defense Counsel, Darrang, to felicitate Mr. Parag Kumar Kakoti, District Commissioner, Darrang. Now I would like to request Mrs. Dipamoni Das, Assistant Legal Aid Defense Counsel, to felicitate Mr. Madhav Chandra Rajbongsi, President, Darrang District Bar Association. Now the member of the bar would felicitate Honorable Mr. Justice Bishnoi, the Chief Justice, Guwahati High Court. Now they would felicitate Honorable Mr. Justice Lansung Khum Jamir, Judge, Guwahati High Court. And now they would felicitate Honorable Mr. Justice Sanjay Kumar Medhi, Judge, Guwahati High Court, and Portfolio Judge, Darrang. Thank you so much. Now we would proceed to felicitate other invited guests of the dais. May I now request Mr. Rupam Saikia, Civil Judge, Junior Division Number 1, Darrang, to felicitate Mr. Satyanath Sharma, District and Session Judge, Hojai. May I now request Mr. Kankan Bharadwaj, SDJMS, to felicitate Mr. Kaushik Sharma, Registrar cum PS, to Honorable the Chief Justice of Guwahati High Court. May I now request Srimati Purabi Ronghang, Judicial Magistrate First Class, Darrang, to felicitate Srimati Jayashree Bora, Joint Registrar, Guwahati High Court. May I now request Muhammad Muqtadiz Ali, Deputy LADC, to felicitate Mr. Prakash Sonowal, Superintendent of Police, Darrang. Now we would felicitate Sri Tarakeshwar Lohar, Retired District and Session Judge. Sri Dipseng Shyam would felicitate him. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. With this, we have come to the end of this felicitation of our respected dignitaries. May I now request Mr. Abhijit Bhattacharya, District and Session Judge and Chairman, DLSA Darrang, to kindly deliver the welcome address.
Namaskar and a very good afternoon to everyone present. Honorable the Chief Justice of Guwahati High Court and Patron-in-Chief of Assam State Legal Services Authority, Honorable Mr. Justice Bishnoi, Honorable Mr. Justice Danusungkum Jamir, Judge Administration Guwahati High Court and Executive Chairman Assam State Legal Services Authority, Honorable Mr. Justice Sanjay Kumar Medhi, Judge Guwahati High Court and Portfolio Judge, Darrang District, Member Secretary Assam State Legal Services Authority, District Commissioner Darrang, President Mongoldor Bar Association, learned members of the Registry of Honorable Guwahati High Court, Superintendent of Police Darrang and other officials of Police Authority Darrang, Joint Director of Health Service Darrang, officers and staff of Sashastra Seema Bal SSB, the various heads of departments and officials under District Administration Darrang, esteemed members of the bar, the residents of Niribili Old Age Home, members of the press, including print and electronic media, distinguished guests, my colleagues and staff of District Judiciary Darrang, ladies and gentlemen. It is my great pleasure and honor and a privilege to welcome the August gathering as Chairman of District Legal Services Authority Darrang to the awareness program with respect to schemes of National Legal Services Authority on the rights of senior citizens organized by Assam State Legal Services Authority in association with District Legal Services Authority Darrang and District Administration Darrang. We are deeply grateful and inspired by the presence of our chief guest, the Honorable Chief Justice Guwahati High Court, who has graciously accepted our invitation to join us today. We are also highly motivated and encouraged by the presence of the Honorable Executive Chairman, Assam State Legal Services Authority, and Honorable Portfolio Judge Darrang District, who is also accompanied by His Lordship's son Abhinav Medhi, and his Lordships who have taken time from their busy schedules to join us today. I warmly welcome our esteemed and honorable judges to this event. Lordship. National Legal Services Authority at the national level, Assam State Legal Services Authority at the state level, and District Legal Services Authority at the district level have been constituted under the Legal Services Authorities Act 1987 to carry forward and deliver legal aid to the needy and entitled persons, make justice accessible to all, and also to promote and spread awareness about the various laws, rules, regulations, schemes, etc. In today's program, we have assembled and gathered here wherein the eye donation project Naba Drishti would be launched. The residents of Niribili Old Age Home have already taken the pledge to donate their eyes posthumously. Today's program is a unique initiative that aims to promote legal awareness and encourage eye donation among the masses, which is a noble, admirable, and laudable act that can bring light and hope to those suffering from corneal blindness. With immense pride and gratitude, I want to express my joy that Assam State Legal Services Authority, DLSA Darrang, with the kind approval and encouragement from the Honorable Guwahati High Court, marked the first significant achievement of the implementation of the pioneer project of Naba Drishti in collaboration with district administration to bring significant benefits to the society. Amongst others, today, the official YouTube channel of Assam State Legal Services Authority would also be inaugurated, and the theme song and the new edition of the Handbook of Assam State Legal Services Authority would be released. Once again, I sincerely welcome you all to today's program and solicit your blessings and cooperation. Thank you. Namaskar.
Thank you so much, sir. Your valuable words have perfectly set the spirit of today's program. We are about to commence our program by observing the auspicious ritual of lighting of the lamp of knowledge and wisdom. For doing the honor, I would now like to invite all the esteemed dignitaries on the dais to illuminate the event by lighting the ceremonial lamp. Shubham karoti kalyanam, arogyam dhana sampada, shatru buddhi vinashaya, deepa jyoti namastude. May the light of the lamp guide us all towards wisdom and understanding. Thank you so much. Music really fills our heart with calmness. Now, I would like to invite Ms. Jahnavi Das, Judicial Magistrate First Class Darrang, and Jintrismita Devi, Trainee Judicial Officer, undergoing induction training to set the mood for the auspicious event with a Saraswati Bandana.
या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मा पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा।
We extend our heartfelt gratitude to both of you for chanting the auspicious Saraswati Bandana. Thank you so much, ladies. May I now request Dr. Ramesh Goswami, Joint Director of Health Services, Darrang, to kindly deliver a few words on today's occasion.
Namaskar. Good afternoon to you all. Honorable Mr. Justice Bishnoi, the Chief Justice of Guwahati High Court, Patron-in-Chief, Assam State Legal Service Authority, Honorable Mr. Justice Lanu Sungkum Jamir, Judge, Guwahati High Court, Executive Chairman, Assam State Legal Service Authority, Honorable Mr. Justice Sanjay Kumar Medhi, Judge, Guwahati High Court, Portfolio Judge, Darrang District, Honorable District and Session Judge, Darrang, Mr. Abhijit Bhattacharya, Honorable District Commissioner, Darrang, Mr. Parag Kumar Kakoti, Honorable Mr. Ratnadeep Bhattacharya, Member Secretary, State Legal Service Authority, Assam, and respected other VIPs and other members of the House present in this hall. On due permission, I want to speak few words on eye donation. Netrodanor oporot moi somukoi eta horu bhakon dibo bichariso. Netrodan mohandan. Eye donation is a noble donation. Soku obihone homosto prithibi andhakar. People without eye, vision, world is dark. এই সুন্দৰ পৃথিৱী, এই বিশ্ব, এই অপৰূপ সৃষ্টি ভগৱানৰ আৰু মানৱ সমাজেই নহয় সকলো জীৱই নেত্ৰৰ দ্বাৰাই এই সৃষ্টি দেখিবলৈ পাইছে। যিসকলে নয়ন ভৰি এই পৃথিৱীৰ সৌন্দৰ্য উপভোগ কৰিবলৈ পাইছে তেওঁলোক সঁচাকৈয়ে সৌভাগ্যৱান। Eye is the greatest organ of the human body by which we enjoy the beauty of the world by this organ. এক সমীক্ষা মতে অকল ভাৰততে সৰ্বমুঠ দৃষ্টিহীন মানুহৰ ভিতৰত শতকৰা 80% চকুৰ ছানি পৰা ৰোগত ভুগি আছে। Blindness for cataract is an aging process of human body. In India, 80% people suffering from blindness is due to cataract, which can be cured by operating and implanting a new artificial lens. বয়স বৃদ্ধিৰ লগে লগে চুলি পকাৰ দৰে চকুৰ ছানি পৰাও স্বাভাৱিক। চকুৰ ছানিৰ একমাত্ৰ চিকিৎসা হ'ল সময়মতে চকু বিশেষজ্ঞৰ দ্বাৰা ছানিৰ অস্ত্ৰোপচাৰ। কৰ্ণিয়াৰ ক্ষতি সাধনৰ বাবে দৃষ্টিশক্তি হেৰুওৱা ব্যক্তিসকলে নতুনকৈ মৃত বা জীৱিত ব্যক্তিৰ পৰা সংগ্ৰহিত কৰ্ণিয়া কেৰাটোপ্লাষ্টি নামৰ অপাৰেশ্যনৰ সহায়ত বেয়া হৈ যোৱা কৰ্ণিয়া পুনৰ সংস্থাপনৰ দ্বাৰা দৃষ্টিশক্তি ঘূৰাই পাব পাৰে। Vision loss for corneal damage can be cured by eye donation from other people through keratoplasty operation. সকলো ব্যক্তিয়ে চকুদান কৰিব পাৰে। চকুদান মানৱতাবোধৰ শ্ৰেষ্ঠ নিদৰ্শন বুলি বিশ্বৰ সকলো ধৰ্মীয় নেতাই প্ৰকাশ কৰিছে। যিয়ে নেত্ৰদান কৰে তেওঁ অন্য এজন অন্ধকাৰ পৃথিৱীত থকা মানুহক পহৰাই তোলাৰ দৰে মহান কাম কৰে। People who have given consent for donating eye for blind people whose cornea is damaged are noble person for whom blind people can view the beauty of the world and darkness will be over. চকুদানৰ বাবে কোনো মাচুল দাবী কৰা নহয়। মৃত্যুৰ পিছত শৰীৰ ৰখা যিকোনো ঠাইৰ পৰা চকু সংগ্ৰহ কৰিব পাৰি। চকুৰ পতাৰ তলৰ অংশহে সংগ্ৰহ কৰা হয়, যিটো অংশ কৰ্ণিয়া বোলা হয়। গতিকে চকু সংগ্ৰহ কৰাৰ পিছত মানুহে ভবাৰ দৰে গোটেই চকুটো উলিয়াই নিনিয়ে। চকু সংগ্ৰহ কৰাৰ পিছত কোনো দাগ নাথাকে, সৎকাৰ কৰাৰ বাবে পলমো নহয়। For eye donation, no fees is required. Only corneal part of the eye is taken, not the whole eyeball. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your deep insight. May I now request Honorable Mr. Justice Sanjay Kumar Medhi, Judge, Guwahati High Court and Portfolio Judge Darrang to share a few words.
Honorable Justice Vijay Bishnoi, the Chief Justice and the Patron-in-Chief of ASALSA, Justice Jamir, the Executive Chairman of the ASALSA, Sri Abhijit Bhattacharya, the Learned District and Session Judge Darrang, Sri Ratnadeep Bhattacharya, the Member Secretary ASALSA, Sri Rajbangsi, the President of the Bar Association, Sri Porakakoti, the Deputy Commissioner, the members of the Assam State Legal Services Authority, the Joint Director of Health Services Darrang, learned members of the District Judiciary, learned members of the Bar, District Bar, ladies and gentlemen, and most importantly, Niribili Bidhashramor Ataibur Aimatri Bondhu Amar Bab Bandha Bokol. Apnalo Hokolke Mur Namaskar Jonalu. Mur ei samoy boktitatati অসমীয়াতে দিব ওলাইছিল কিন্তু আমাৰ মুখ্য ন্যায়াধীশ তেখেতে অসমীয়া সম্পূৰ্ণভাৱে বুজি নাপায় সেইকাৰণে মই ইংৰাজীতে কৈছোঁ At the outset I would like to offer our special thanks and gratitude to our Honorable Chief Justice who had come almost straight from Delhi. He had landed at Guwahati at 12 noon and he is now before you in this meeting. It's in fact an honor to stand before you to speak on the subject which is close to my heart, the gift of sight through eye donation. As judges, we are entrusted with upholding justice and fairness, but true justice extends beyond the courtroom. It encompasses compassion, empathy, and the willingness to alleviate sufferings. Eye donation embodies these very principles. Imagine a world which is shrouded in darkness, where the vibrant colors of life are but a distant memory. This is the reality for millions suffering from corneal blindness. A simple act of donating your eyes after death can restore their sight, allowing them to experience the world anew. Think of the joy of a child to see his parents' face for the first time, or an elderly person to be able to read a beloved book again. This simple act transcends our physical existence and leaves behind a legacy of profound impact. The process is simple, requiring minimal effort on our part, yet the impact is profound. It is a legacy that transcends our earthly existence, a beacon of hope, but for those yearning to see again. It is a testament to our shared humanity, a quiet yet powerful declaration that even in passing, we can contribute for the well-being of others. In this connection, I would like to highlight a very significant step which our High Court is taking. As most of you would be aware, there is a movement to translate judgments into regional language. It was the brainchild of the ex-Chief Justice, Honorable Justice Chandrachud. And for translating into Assamese language, we had some difficulties with the modules available. So we had entrusted the job to IIT Guwahati. And in the project, I'm very delighted to inform that apart from translating into our regional language, they will also give a Braille version. And this Braille version would also have the added benefit of speech, of text to speech, which will benefit most of the people at large. In fact, this information was passed on to Honorable Justice Abhay Oak, who is presently looking after the project, in a recent meeting last week. And he was delighted about this aspect, which is not there in any other state. And he has asked her to share what has been done, and so that it can be implemented in the other states also. This endeavor, coupled with the powerful act of eye donation, underscores our commitment for breaking down barriers and ensuring a more equitable and inclusive society. Both initiatives in their own way bring light to those who are in darkness, whether literally or metaphorically. Before concluding, I remember the words of Helen Keller, who despite her blindness had said, quote, "The only thing worse than being blind is having sight but no vision." The only thing, I repeat, the only thing worse than being blind is having sight but no vision, unquote. Let us all strive to make both the physical sight to appreciate the world around us and the vision to see the needs of others and act with compassion. Before winding up, I again express my utmost gratitude to the inmates, to the residents of Niribili Old Age Home, who have made this great act of pledging their eyes. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Lordship, for offering your guidance and motivation on this special occasion. May I now request Honorable Mr. Justice Lanusungkhum Jamir, Judge, Guwahati High Court and Executive Chairman, Assam State Legal Services Authority, to share a few words.
Honorable Mr. Justice Bishnoi, Chief Justice of Guwahati High Court and Patron-in-Chief, Assam State Legal Services Authority, my esteemed brother Justice Sanjay Kumar Medhi, Judge Guwahati High Court and Portfolio Judge Darrang, Mr. Abhijit Bhattacharya, District and Sessions Judge Darrang, Mr. Parag Kumar Kakati, Deputy Commissioner Darrang, the Superintendent of Police Darrang, Joint Director of Health Services Darrang, Mr. Machav Rajbongshi, President, and other members of the District Bar Association, all other distinguished guests present here, ladies and gentlemen. It is an honor for me to address you today at this significant awareness program on the NALSA Legal Services to Senior Citizens Scheme 2016, organized by the Assam State Legal Services Authority in association with the DLSA Darrang. The theme of today's event is especially important as it focuses on the rights and legal protection available to one of the most vulnerable sections of our society, the senior citizens. Senior citizens, having spent a long lifetime contributing to the betterment of society, often face multiple challenges as they grow old. These challenges may include health problems, financial insecurities, social isolation, elder abuse, access to legal rights, and other concerns. In recognition of this concern, the NALSA scheme ensures that senior citizens are not only aware of their rights, but also have access to necessary legal resources to protect and assert those rights. I am proud to inform you that under the initiative of the Honorable Chief Justice and Patron-in-Chief of the Assam State Legal Services, Authority, in collaboration with all the District Legal Services Authority across the state, is actively extending legal assistance under the NALSA Legal Services to Senior Citizens Scheme 2016. It is important for all of us to remember that the protection of senior citizens' rights is not only a legal obligation, but a moral duty of society. Every senior citizen, irrespective of the background, deserves to live with dignity, free from exploitation, and in a manner that ensures their health, safety, and well-being. Today, we would be launching the eye donation project, Naba Drishti, which is a collaborative effort of the Assam State Legal Services Authority and the District Legal Service Authority, Darrang, aimed at promoting eye donation and supporting the visually impaired community. The Naba Drishti is an innovative and compassionate initiative aimed at promoting eye donation through the selfless contribution of the senior citizens residing in old age homes. The adorable elderly people of Niribili Old Age Home, Darrang, by pledging to donate the eyes, they hope to bring life to those in need, enable someone else to experience the beauty of the world that they have witnessed. We are also launching the official YouTube channel of NALSA, which is also an initiative committed to ensuring access to justice for all citizens across Assam. This YouTube channel is an initiative to effectively disseminate information to the viewers about our mission to empower individuals through legal awareness, provide free legal aid, and uphold the rule of law in every corner of the state. Today, we are also releasing the theme of the ASALSA, which embodies the core values of justice, equality, and empowerment. I give my sincere thanks to all the actors and singers and musicians who have contributed to the creation of the theme song of ASALSA. We are also launching the new edition of the Handbook of Assam State Legal Services Authority with the aim to further enhance awareness and provide comprehensive information about the legal services available to the citizens of Assam. It includes valuable insights on the rights of individuals, legal aid services, and the initiative undertaken by ASALSA to promote access to justice. In addition, I would like to take this opportunity to acknowledge the role of the various stakeholders in supporting these initiatives. The government, the judiciary, social workers, and volunteers all play an essential part in raising awareness and ensuring that legal aid reaches those in need. Before I conclude, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to all those who have made this event possible. My sincere thanks to the Honorable Guwahati High Court for their continued support and for facilitating the live streaming of this program, making it accessible to a wider audience. I also extend my appreciation to all the district legal services authorities, our partners in ensuring that the legal aid reaches senior citizens across Assam. Together, we can create a more inclusive and compassionate society that protects the rights of our senior citizens. Thank you.
Thank you, Lordship, for your encouraging words. May I now request Honorable Mr. Justice Vijay Bishnoi, Chief Justice, Guwahati High Court and Patron-in-Chief, Assam State Legal Services Authority, to enlighten us on the occasion with a few words.
My esteemed brother judges, Justice L.S. Jamir and Justice Sanjay Kumar Medhi, Mr. Abhijit Bhattacharya, District and Session Judge Darrang, Mr. Parag Kumar Katuki, District Commissioner, District Darrang, Mr. Ratnadeep Bhattacharya ji, Member Secretary, Assam State Legal Services Authority, Mr. Madhav Rajbongshi, President, Darrang Bar Association, Superintendent of Police, Joint Director of Health Services, and the most important guests today, inmates of the Niribili Old Age Home, members of the NGO, self-help groups, VDP secretaries, and other representatives of the various government departments and NGOs, other distinguished guests of the dais, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure to be present here before this august gathering in today's awareness program on the rights of the senior citizens under the NALSA schemes. Over past several years, National Legal Services Authority has been making tireless efforts in promoting legal awareness and access to justice for all through implementation of various schemes. NALSA is the one such scheme in operation. This NALSA Legal Services Senior Citizens Scheme 2016 is one such scheme in operation which aims at providing senior citizens free legal aid, legal awareness and support in accessing their legal rights, particularly related to matters such as abuse, exploitation, property disputes, inheritance and healthcare rights to ensure their welfare, dignity and access to quality justice. Additionally, senior citizens are given priority in resolution of legal disputes and provided legal assistance to access social security and welfare schemes. In India, with improvement in the healthcare facilities and general well-being of people, the life expectancy has increased substantially, as a result of which the percentage of senior citizens, that is 60 years and above, has increased from 5.3% in 1971 to 8.2% in 2017, as per the latest statistical report issued by the Government of India in 2017. This percentage is likely to increase in times to come. In other words, senior citizens constitute a substantial portion of total population of India. Hence, priority must be given to take care of the needs and problems faced by the senior citizens. In fact, the well-being of senior citizen is mandated in the Constitution of India under Article 41, which requires the state, within limits of its economic capacity and development, make effective provisions for public assistance in case of old age. In this context, initiatives of NALSA in providing legal services to senior citizens assume a lot of importance. The NALSA Legal Services to Senior Citizens Scheme 2016 has various components such as free legal aid, legal literacy and awareness programs especially tailored for senior citizens, protection from abuse, neglect and exploitation, providing legal assistance to ensure their eligibility for various government welfare schemes, providing legal assistance to senior citizens facing disputes over their property or issues with will execution or inheritance, protection of medical rights and so on. I am confident that the Assam Legal Services Authority and the District Legal Services Authority in the state of Assam will leave no stone unturned in the field of ensuring quality and timely legal services to senior citizens of Assam under the NALSA scheme. I'll be failing in my duty if I do not pay tribute to the elderly people of Niribili Old Age Home, Darrang, Assam, who have decided to donate their eyes after they leave their heavenly abode so that those who are in need may be able to experience the beauty of the worlds they have witnessed. I salute to their resolve to offer their gift of sight. As a matter of fact, the highest donation amongst all donation is eye donation, and that's why it is called Netradan Mahadan. The inmates of the Nilibiri Old Age Society has made a great sacrifice if they have decided that they are going to donate their eyes after they leave for heavenly abode. This attempt on the part of them will give sight to many of the persons or children, as Justice Medhi has said, that he'll be able to see faces of his parents and their siblings and all over the world the world is so beautiful. So with their eyes, they will be able to see, and as such, their sacrifice will remain in the world, or their eyes will remain live in this world. With these few words, I express my sincere gratitude to the people of Darrang district who have come here in large numbers to support our resolve to extend legal services to senior citizens so they can lead a secure, dignified and productive life. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much, Lordship, for your optimistic words. It is our pleasure to announce the official launch of the project Naba Drishti, a mission to provide vision of hope from our elders to the world for a clearer tomorrow. A collaborative effort of the Assam State Legal Services Authority and the District Legal Services Authority, Darrang, aimed at promoting eye donation and supporting the visually impaired community. May I now request all the dignitaries on the dais to officially launch the project by unveiling the concept note of the project. With immense pride and gratitude, we mark the first significant achievement of the Naba Drishti project at its very initiation. At the heart of the Niribili Old Age Home in Darrang, Assam, there resides a group of remarkable elderly individuals who have witnessed many seasons of life. Today, it is their turn to offer a gift that transcends time, the gift of sight. With open hearts, they have pledged to donate their eyes, hoping to bring light and vision to those who are in desperate need. এইখিনিতে যিসকল ককা আইতাই এই নেত্ৰদান কৰি যি আদৰ্শ দাঙি ধৰিলে আমি সকলোৱে তেখেতসকলক কৃতজ্ঞতা জনাইছোঁ। এটি হাত চাপৰিৰে আমি পুনৰবাৰ তেখেতসকলক ধন্যবাদ জনাইছোঁ। Now we proceed for the ceremonial distributions of the hearing aid, wheelchair and Ayushman Bharat card to 3 of the members of Niribili Old Age Home. May I now request Honorable Mr. Justice Bishnoi, the Chief Justice, Guwahati High Court and Patron-in-Chief, Assam State Legal Services Authority, to distribute 1 hearing aid to Srimati Prabhavati Sohoria. Prabhavati Sohoria Baidew, apuni ahok mঞ্চলৈ। Thank you, Lordship. May I now request Honorable Mr. Justice Lanusongkhum Jamir, Judge, Guwahati High Court and Executive Chairman, Assam State Legal Services Authority, to distribute 1 wheelchair to Srimati Pratima Das. Pratima Das Dangoriani, apuni mঞ্চলৈ আহিব লাগে। Thank you so much. And may I now request Honorable Mr. Justice Sanjay Kumar Medhi, Judge Guwahati High Court and Portfolio Judge Darrang to distribute one Ayushman Bharat card to Sri Tarani Kanta Kumar. Thank you, Lordship. We are now pleased to announce the launch of the official YouTube channel of Assam State Legal Services Authority. May I now request Honorable Mr. Justice Vijay Bishnoi, the Chief Justice Guwahati High Court and Patron-in-Chief Assam State Legal Services Authority to officially inaugurate the YouTube channel by switching on the channel. Thank you, Lordship.
Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Assam State Legal Services Authority, an initiative committed to ensuring access to justice for all citizens across Assam. This YouTube channel is an initiative to effectively disseminate information to the viewers about our mission to empower individuals through legal awareness, providing free legal aid, and uphold the rule of law in every corner of the state. আমি যাতে সঠিক সময়ত আইনী সাহায্যৰে আপোনালোকৰ কাষত থিয় দিব পাৰো আৰু সামাজিক মাধ্যমৰ জৰিয়তে আৰু অধিক আপোনালোকৰ কাষ চাপিব পাৰো তাৰ বাবে এই ইউটিউব চেনেলটি মুকলি কৰিছো।
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more legal insights. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new legal awareness videos. We're here to provide you with the latest updates, tips, and knowledge to help you stay informed and empowered about your legal rights. Whether you're looking to understand new laws, explore your rights, or stay ahead of legal changes, we've got you covered. Make sure you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. There's a lot more to learn. Subscribe now and be a part of our growing community of informed individuals.
Now we'll proceed to release the theme song video of the Assam State Legal Services Authority, which highlights the organization's commitment to ensuring access to legal aid and justice for all, especially marginalized and vulnerable communities. This theme song was beautifully penned by Sri Alok Kaur Dwara, Advocate, Dibrugarh Bar Association, and music by Dirgha Jyoti. The lead singers are Srimati Jayashree Bora, Joint Register Vigilance, GHC, Sri Vidyut Bikas Goswami, Administrative Officer Judicial, GHC, Madhurya Khoikia, Computer Assistant, GHC, Child Artist Ms. Himagna Basha, and the actors male are Medhi Gogoi, female Srimati Dipsri Goswami. We have Jayashree Bora, Alok Dwara, Dipsri Goswami, and Medni Gogoi with us, and now we'd like to felicitate them with a Fulam Gamusa. May I now request Honorable Mr. Justice Vijay Bishnoi, the Chief Justice Guwahati High Court and Patron-in-Chief, Assam State Legal Services Authority, to officially inaugurate the theme song video by switching on the video.
চনৰে এখন বিধান ৯৫ হলাই আইনী সেৱাৰ প্ৰাধিকৰণ আহিল সকলোৰে মুখতে হাঁহি বিৰিঙিল আহিছে আহিছে আসামে আহিছে এই ন্যায় সকলোৰে বাবে এই অধিকাৰ সকলোৰে বাবে ৰাইজে গোৱা সমস্যাৰে সজাগ হোৱা প্ৰতিজনে শ্রমিক এজন বিশেষভাৱে সক্ষম বা মানৱ সৰবৰাহৰ ভুক্তভোগী অথবা টকাধীন ব্যক্তি আৰু যদি বাৰ্ষিক আয় ৩ লাখতকৈ কম নতুবা মগনীয়া শুনা হেৰা সমনীয়া তুমি পাবা আইনী সেৱা বিনামূলীয়া অধিকাৰ সকলোৰে সকলো ভাৱনা চিন্তা এৰি থৈ আহিছে আহিছে আছে বিষয়া আছে কৰ্মচাৰী আছে অধিবক্তা আৰু PLV আছে বিষয়া আছে কৰ্মচাৰী আছে অধিবক্তা আৰু PLV আছে ন্যায়ৰ বিশ্বাস তথা লোক আদালত আজি যেন আদালত ৰাইজৰ পদূলিত ন্যায়ৰ ছত্ৰই দিছে সুখৰ অনুভূতি আহিছে আহিছে বিনামূলীয়া আইনী সেৱাৰ বতৰা আনিছে ৮৭ চনৰে এখন বিধান ৯৫ হলাই আইনী সেৱাৰ প্ৰাধিকৰণ আহিল সকলোৰে মুখতে হাঁহি বিৰিঙিল আহিছে আহিছে
so much. It is our honor to announce the honorable dignitaries will be launching the new edition of Handbook of Assam State Legal Services Authority, making a significant milestone in our efforts to provide accessible legal services to all. This comprehensive handbook is a valuable resource for anyone seeking to understand their legal rights and enlightenments. We would request all the dignitaries to unveil the new edition of the Handbook of Legal Services. Thank you so much. May I now request Mr. Ratnadeep Bhattacharjee, the Member Secretary, Assam State Legal Services Authority, to propose vote of thanks.
Namaskar. A very good evening. It's both an honor and privilege to stand before this august gathering at the conclusion of this remarkable awareness program, which is focused on the vital NALSA scheme concerning the rights of the senior citizens. This event has been a significant step in raising awareness about the welfare and legal rights of our elderly citizens, an issue that deserves both our attention and action. I would take this opportunity to extend our profound gratitude to esteemed Chief Guest, my Lord, Honorable Mr. Justice Bishnoi, the Chief Justice, Guwahati High Court, and the Patron-in-Chief, Assam State Legal Services Authority, as in spite of numerous engagements, Lordship is kind enough to grace this program, thereby spelling out the vision of the legal services authorities in diligently working for the betterment of the society. Your Lordship's guidance and leadership, both as the Chief Justice of Guwahati High Court and the Patron-in-Chief of the Assam State Legal Services Authority, continue to inspire us all. We are truly grateful for your Lordship's kind support and guidance in ensuring that such important initiatives, particularly in the field of legal services for senior citizens, are given the attention they rightfully deserve. I now take this opportunity to offer our respectful gratitude to my Lord, Honorable Mr. Justice Lanusungkum Jamir, Judge Administration, Guwahati High Court, and Executive Chairman, Assam State Legal Services Authority, for Lordship's gracious presence and unwavering support. Your Lordship's leadership and guidance plays a pivotal role in shaping the success of legal services activities undertaken from time to time. We are deeply thankful for your Lordship's encouragement and advice in advocating for the rights and welfare of the senior citizens. I would like to sincerely offer our respectful thanks to my Lord, Honorable Mr. Justice Sanjay Kumar Medhi, Judge, Guwahati High Court, and the Portfolio Judge, Darrang District, for Lordship's invaluable insights and encouragement in organizing this program. Lordship's commitment to justice and welfare in this region is truly commendable, and we deeply appreciate Lordship's continuous contribution. Our heartfelt thanks now goes to Mr. Abhijit Bhattacharjee, Learned District and Session Judge, Darrang, for your active participation and support. Your leadership in this district has ensured that the initiative has been a success, and we look forward to working together for the betterment of the community. We are also immensely grateful to Mr. Parag Kumar Kakoti, District Commissioner, Darrang, for your presence and for being a constant source of support to all the legal services initiative in the region. We appreciate and extend our thanks to Mr. Prakash Sonwal, Superintendent of Police, Darrang, for offering continuous support to legal services movement in this part of the state. We would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to Joint Director of Health Services for offering all the support. We would also like to extend our sincere appreciation to Mr. Madhav Rajbangshi, President of the District Bar Association, for continuous support and for the District Bar Association's active role in facilitating the success of today's event. Special thanks to the esteemed officers of the Registry of Honorable Guwahati High Court and the system officers, all the officers and staffs of the District Judiciary, Darrang, the District Legal Services Authority, Darrang, officials of the District Administration, Darrang, and the officers and all the staffs of Assam State Legal Services Authority. Your hard work behind the scene has contributed significantly to the smooth execution of today's awareness program, and we deeply appreciate your tireless efforts. We would like to place on record our sincere gratitude to our senior judicial officer, retired District and Session Judge Sri Tarokeshwar Lohar, and District and Session Judge Hojai Sri Satyanath Sharma, as for being kind enough to present here and encouraging us. We are also grateful to all the members of the Bar Association Darrang and members of press, both print and electronic media, for the support in spreading awareness about the NALSA schemes and the rights of senior citizens. We further offer our sincere appreciation and thanks to the lyricists, artists, singers, officers, and staffs who have contributed in materializing the theme song of the Asalsa in reality. I would like to thank all of you, the distinguished guests, participants, and attendees for your time and attention today. Your presence is a testament to your commitment to the cause of senior citizens and to the legal empowerment of all citizens in our society. Thank you. Before I conclude, we would like to extend a special and heartfelt thanks to the remarkable elderly inmates of Niribili Old Age Home who have not only attended this event today but have also taken the noble pledge to donate their eyes, setting an example showing that the spirit never ages, it stays forever young. Hokolo ai matri aru pitri Niribili abahi gonok amar antorik shraddha aru kritogota gyapon korisu. As we conclude this event, let us all be reminded of our collective responsibility to continue advocating for the rights of the elderly and ensuring that they are given the respect, care, and legal protection they deserve, revisiting the motto of Assam State Legal Services Authority, Nyay Hokolor Babe. Long live Legal Services Movement. Jai Hind. Thank you all.
With this, we have come to the end of today's program. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for your support and cooperation. আপোনালোকৰ সহায় সহযোগিতাৰ বাবে ধন্যবাদ জনাই অনুষ্ঠান আমি ইমানতে সামৰিছো। ধন্যবাদ। নমস্কাৰ।
एहसास न्याय का सबके लिए, आकाश न्याय का सबके लिए, उल्लास न्याय का सबके लिए, विश्वास न्याय का सबके लिए। अपने इस हिंदुस्तां पर हक हमारा भी तो है, इंसाफ के इस आशिया पर हक हमारा भी तो है। एक मुट्ठी आसमां पर हक हमारा भी तो है, एक मुट्ठी आसमां पर हक हमारा भी तो है।
ये ना सोचो दर्द हमारा कहीं सुना न जाएगा, अब न्यायालय खुद चलकर चौपालों तक आएगा।
लाचारों को न्याय मिलेगा, दुखियारों को न्याय मिलेगा, कमजोरों को न्याय मिलेगा, मजलूम हिंदोस्तों पर हक हमारा भी तो है, उम्मीदों के इस गुलसितां पर हक हमारा भी तो है। एक मुट्ठी आसमां पर हक हमारा भी तो है, एक मुट्ठी आसमां पर हक हमारा भी तो है।
गरीब और कमजोरों को मुफ्त एवं सक्षम कानूनी सहायता के लिए प्रतिबद्ध विधिक सेवा प्राधिकरण नालसा, न्याय सबके लिए।
Thank you so much once again, ladies and gentlemen, and we conclude here. Thank you.